You know, most new vehicles of today are drive-by-wire, like this 2500 HD Sierra. And like this truck, a lot of them have that, spongy feeling when you step on a gas pedal. There's a lag from when you step on the pedal till the vehicle actually accelerates. But with Pedal Commander, you can fix all of that. You know, we use it on a ton of different vehicles, from gas to diesel to hybrid and electric. They've got applications for all the above. The nice thing, too, is there's a tons of adjustability with it. So there's 4 different modes. And within each mode, there are 9 levels of adjustment for a total of 36. So they pretty much got you covered no matter how aggressive you want to be or how passive you want to be. You want to save money at the fuel pump, diesel prices are expensive, put it all the way down into eco mode. Then you could gradually creep it up as aggressive as you want to be to city, sport, and Sport Plus. Now, installation doesn't get any easier. All you do is plug it in behind the back of your gas pedal, and then you've got this controller you can mount anywhere inside the vehicle. You've also got the option of utilizing Bluetooth through an app to control everything right through your phone. It's a really cool little feature they've got is their anti-theft device. So you leave the vehicle, you lock it up, and you go ahead on your phone and through the app, kill the pedal. You literally disengage the pedal. So if a thief were to come into your vehicle, try and steal it, they could fire it up, but they won't have the ability to actually drive it away. So not only does Pedal Commander allow you to get a ton of different adjustment in terms of throttle response, it also protects your investment.